Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert JPG image to PDF in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see convert JPG image to PDF. Now open Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click. Now select from picture. Now click from open option. Now open the JPG picture. This JPG picture and convert the PDF. Now going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from save as option. Now you can see then it show the new interface. Now type your file name and second option in the format. Now click. Now select from PDF, Photoshop PDF. Now click. Now choose from location. Now click from save option. Now click OK. Then click from save PDF. Now click again yes. That it's. Now open the. Now check from. That it's. Now you can see